guys, welcome back to the next episode of CPP Superpower. We have a vector of three elements and we have initialized a pointer to point to the address of the first element, and then upon dereferencing and printing the pointer, we are expecting the first element output, which we get as 1. But once we do a pushback and then we print again expecting the same element, that is the first, we can see we get here some garbage value. Now why does this happen? We can see the elements 1, 2, and 3 are stored in a corresponding memory address space with denotations of 0 cross FF, BB, and AABB supposedly, and star PTR is pointing to the first element initially. But once we do a pushback, what happens is, since these elements are stored in contiguous memory location, as is the property of a vector, these are now shifted to a different memory address. Now 1 is stored supposedly in 0 cross EE, and rest all the elements address changes. And star PTR still points to 0 cross FF, which will now hold some arbitrary value which is undefined. Hence, the simple solution to this nasty bug is just to reserve for your vector beforehand. Now each element will have its own dedicated memory address, and even upon doing a pushback or a pop, the element's address space will remain constant. Now if you run this code, you will see we get the desired output before and after. So if you want to become a better C++ developer one reel at a time, hit the follow button and I will see you in the next superpower.